Welcome to Kitchens, my kitchen, where I get cooking. Here we go, got my oven and my stove, 4 burners, cause some like it hot. I got spices and I got knives. Don't break into my house, cause you might get cut. And if you're old school, I'm representing salt, pepper, boom. I got these canisters. They're empty, don't know what they're for. Lingerings from an old relationship. Over here, we got the microwave and more spices. I got a water cooler, got a stainless steel garbage can. And here is the shiny section. Now, this is my chrome plated George Foreman grill. Sizzle, sizzle, bling, bling. This is my favorite item, the flask. It's not just for drunks anymore. You take this bad boy full of Jack Daniels to a movie theater, buy one of their Cokes, and let's just say every motion picture gets 2 thumbs up. Okay, let's look in the fridge. Pretty basic stuff here, kind of bare. Yeah, I need to go shopping. Wow, that's it. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen. And now, honey, home. What? Oh man, if you can't stand the heat, you know what to do. And we gotta we gotta go. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo, and so much.